Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just create or customize a review widget blocks in your Shopify store using Judgme app. So watch this video completely without skipping, and also please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. After the installation of Judgme app to your Shopify store, you can just go to the settings and then click on widgets, so you can see review widget log to customize the sections, and also you can customize the star rating badge, and you can just add a write a review button also you can just customize. And you can have these type of card carousel and testimonial carousel. There are different blocks available here to have in your Shopify store in order to collect and display the reviews in your Shopify's home page or the product page. So I'm just going with the review pages for now, and I'm just installing it. So you will be getting to the app section of the default product page. Yeah. So this here the review widget have been added to the bottom of the product detail page, and I'm planning to add a star rating over just below the product title. So let's add the block as the star ratings over here, and I can drag this to below the title so I can see the star rating below the just below the product title. So after adding the details, let's save it. So we can just go back to the settings, and we can have our color and styling of the star rating and write review button color and all to something other which suits more to our uh, online store theme. I'm just planning to have a dark shade like this, or better to be a yellow shade. Yeah, I'm going with this color for my star, and the button color I will be having something dark color. So I'm just planning to have these two colors for the star and the write review button. And you can also have some text color like this, right? Right, widget title, review, reviews. Like you can just customize everything. Like if the widget title to be customer reviews, and if it is a singular one, you can just go for the review. If it is plural one, reviews, and if it is for us no not at all a reviews present, then you can just see, or we can just show be the first to review a title, and you can also customize all this, but I am going with the default one for now. And the header you can just make the theme as minimal or standard or something, and the title, header, bar chart, everything you can just customize here. And you can just add the review section theme to the card size or standard one or something like that. And let me choose the card type like this. And styling also you can have the different settings. So I'm just planning this much to add in my settings, so I'm saving it. Now we can just test this up in our online store how it would look like. Let's see. Let's open up a product detail page, or like this. Here, since we haven't added any review, it shows be the first one to write a review. Let's try to add review of the 5 star with some description. Let's go with this. Yeah, I'm just adding only this much. And if you want to add something, email or display name, you can just add that. Otherwise you can just post this as anonymous. And yeah, I'm just going with some random name. And if you have any video or the image to upload, you can have this. I'm not planning to add any, just giving the star like this. Oh, some experience. Just filling out this data, and I'm not planning to add any medias over here. So I'm just refreshing it. You can see the uh, review has been showing is anonymous and it's showing up here like this. So that's how you can create a review widget in a product detail page of your Shopify store very easily. So while you are waiting for, just try this out in your online store. And also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.